Hi, my name's Kerry Badham and I'm delighted to show you today the brand new FMM Superhero Large Tappet Set. I've made 9 cupcakes using the FMM Superhero Tappet Set. They're perfect for children's parties and they're perfect for the superhero enthusiast. I'm going to show you how to make a couple of the motifs for your cupcakes or for your cake. So I've made my modelling paste in advance and I've rolled it out, and I like to leave mine sit for a while. It gets quite a nice dry top, and you'll notice the difference between modelling paste and fondant is that it's really easy to handle without damaging it. So first of all, I'm going to make one of the bursts. So I just place my tappet on top, I remove the excess and I just tap it out. So nice and easy that is. So here we're going to put a word on top, place it over your modelling paste, slide it around your mat, remove the excess. You may want to pick out the little inner sections of the letters. So very simple, and you tap it out and it will just come out. What you will notice is that different fondants have slightly different consistencies, so some can remain a little bit stickier than others. And then all you would do with that is just use a little bit of water on a brush, you just put it on top, and then you would place the word on top of this. So nice and simple, nice and quick. And place that on a cupcake as we've done here. This is a great badge. They're great for the superhero fans, but also great if you're going to pop them in for a selection of cupcakes for Mother's Day and Father's Day. Obviously you can alternate the colours accordingly. I'm just going to show you how to make this badge. We've built it up in layers. To make the hero badge, we're using 3 different colours. So you've got the badge at the bottom. Then we're going to place the yellow on top of the red, so that will make it look like it's framed, and we're going to do the lettering in blue. So here I've rolled out my 3 pieces of modelling paste and I've allowed it to dry a little, so it's got a nice dry top, and then I'm going to cut out a piece at a time. So the first one is the red, so place it on top, move it around, it over and tap it out. And if you wanted to, you could just stop here because you've got the nice embossed letters, but we just want to show you how we can make this quite easy but also make it a lot more effective. So the next colour is yellow, so I'm going to use the same cutter again. And then I'm going to rub it with my hand because we want a real nice clean finish on the embossing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my knife and scriber tool to remove the edge. So I'm going to attach the yellow part of the badge. Now I've cut the insert out just with water. And I'm just going to place this on top. We now have the 2 layers of our badge. We've got the red edge and the yellow, and that is just simply from cutting the badge out twice and trimming it. And you can see here we've still got the embossed hero. So now I'm going to cut it out again, but this time in blue. Slide it around my board turn it over, and I'm going to use the back of my hand, and I want to get a clear emboss on the word hero, because I want to separate that from the rest of the badge. So here you can see. So now I'm going to cut that out. So using my FMM knife and scriber tool, I start to remove the sections around the wording. You could use a kitchen knife if you wanted to. Okay, I've removed all the outer sections and the inner sections now, and we're just going to attach them with a little bit of water. You can use an edible glue, but water works just as well because it's modelling paste and the water will activate the tylo and it will become a glue. So we just place this on top like so. So it takes a little bit more time, but I think it's definitely worth the effort because you get a lovely impact having this in the 3 different colours. So the final one I'm going to show you is the spider. I'm going to show you this one because it's a little bit harder to cut out. Black paste always stays a little bit more gooey and can be a little bit harder to work with, so I thought it was worth demonstrating to you how easy this is to use. Here's my black modelling paste that I've made earlier. I've rolled it out and I've left it dry off, so you've got a much drier finish on top, because if it stays in the cutter it's too thick or it's too sticky, and with black it's very easy to be too sticky. So we've rolled it out, a little bit in from when I cut out the bag earlier, so we're going to roll it out, going to place it on top, then we're going to slide it around our mat. Turn it over. I'm just going to give it a little rub with the back of my hand just to make sure, or the front of my thumb, sorry, my palm, just to make sure that it has cut through it. Then we're going to remove the paste and we're going to flick it out, and then you can rearrange it once you have it on your mat. There. And it makes the lovely spider decoration to stick on top of your cupcake disc. We do hope you like our brand new FMM Hero cutter set. You can make some lovely cupcakes, different designs to go on a cake for a number of celebrations.